Micro, small, medium enterprises are a backbone of Uganda's economy through employment creation, entrepreneurship, innovation, and household income generation. However, increasing financial pressures, workplace stress, and limited support systems are affecting the mental well-being of these entrepreneurs.
There are people who borrow and then they can't pay back because sometimes the business has been mismanaged or whatever the case. There are also people who pay at very high interest rate. So then it doesn't add up. So then you have to exit the business.
Close to 15% of the world's working population is estimated to have mental disorder at work, and there is an increase by 70% mental health cases in the country, according to the recent State of Uganda Population Report 2025.
But the context relays you with a number that is significantly very high. Also because the issue of rent in the city goes up every day, and it increases by the day. Sometimes it's not stipulated within the very long contracts. So the owner of the arcade can change the rent dues anytime that they may wish, because they know that there will be someone else to get into the store after.
At this Mental Health in the Money Economy Symposium, stakeholders are advocating for policy dialogues that look at combining economic empowerment, among others, to reduce these cases.
And eventually this is what we really want to advocate for, because the tenfold growth strategy is not going to be implemented by robots. It's natural persons, flesh and blood, you and me, that are actually going to be at the center of this. So if just getting access to credit can make me go mental, if the craze of trying to have my product certified can take me crazy, if just losing my goods at the point of importation, or maybe not being able to achieve expectation of a particular market, if I cannot access a particular market because of technical barriers to trade, some of these are non-tariff barriers, where do I go? Where do I run to?
Some commercial banks, like EcoBank Uganda, have come up with advisory services to support MSMEs in business expansion and growth.
How do they pay their taxes? How do they do their financial reporting so that they reorganize a business sector that becomes more attractive to access funding from the banks? Because we know that most of these SMEs are not keeping proper records. So in the area of financial education, we partner with some other third-party companies to be able to provide those advisory services.
The symposium was marked under the theme, Unlocking Productivity and Economic Transformation Through Workplace Well-Being. Lydia Chomkama and Regan Ahumuza, UBC News.